Ya,
Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 6 and we will present our journal with the title Code Switching Used by Indonesian Celebrities in Social Media. And the first speaker is Rin Yang Greni. Time is yours.
okay, thanks for the chance. I'd like to explain the first part of our material, namely introduction. In this modern and millennial era, many people have ability to use more than one language or bilingual. That phenomenon is usually called code switching in social linguistics. Code switching occurs in bilingual and multilingual communities when a person switches from one language variety or dialect to another one. People can do code switching in any kinds of situation and domain. This study analyzed the types of code switching and the dominant type of code switching used by Indonesian celebrity on social media. This research has several research questions that are going to answer correspond to the background of the study. Next, there are two problem statements of this journal. The first one is what are the types of code switching used by Indonesian celebrities on social media? And then the second one is what is the most dominant type of code switching used by Indonesian celebrities on social media? Okay, before answering the problem statements, let me explain a little bit about the variable in the journal. The first one is the definition of code switching. Based on Brown and Attardo, code switching can occur between different languages, dialect or styles within one sentences or adjacency pair. And then the second one is Himes. Himes stated that code switching has become a common term for alternate uh, use of two or more languages, varieties of language, or even speech styles. And the last one is according to Holmes, code switching occurs when the speaker shifts their language from one language to another. And to conclude, Romain in 1989, Hoffman in 1991, and Maiskan in 1995 defined that code switching as the changing process used by bilingual or multilingual within the same utterance or during the same conversation. And then the second point is the types. There are three types of code switching. They are intersentential switching. The second one is intersentential switching, and then the last one is tag switching. It based on Romain in Susanto in 2000. The first one is intrasentential code switching occurs within a sentence or a clause boundary. For example, um, teman-teman masih bisa connect sama aku through social media. Di situ ada kata teman-teman masih bisa, and then dia switch ke bahasa Inggris connect, and then sama aku ke bahasa Indonesia lagi, and then through social media ke bahasa Inggris lagi. And then the second one is this intersentential is the movement from one language to another. Contohnya, ini lagu lama tahun 60-an. It's oldies but goodies, they said. Tapi masih enak kok didengerin. That's the example of intersentential. And then the last one is text switching. Text switching involves the insertion of a text from one language into an utterance which is otherwise entirely in other language. For example, it's okay, no problem. Iya enggak? Itu contohnya dari awalnya bahasa Inggris tapi langsung ke bahasa Indonesia. Next, this research used descriptive qualitative method, and the data are interpreted and displayed descriptively and systematically based on the supporting theory used in this study. In this research, the writer doesn't only describe the types of code switching used in Indonesian celebrity in social media, but also to describe the types of code switching and which one is dominant. That's all from me as the first speaker. Now I offer hand to the moderator. Thank you. unmute Ki dulu, Patricia.
Okay, the next speaker is Wal Hidayah. Present about method, no, about result and discussion. Wal Hidayah, time is yours.
Okay, thank you very much for the chance. Right now, I'm going to present about result and discussion of the uh, research about code switching. Result. Okay, the finding of this research related to the two problems. The first one is what are the types of code switching used by Indonesian celebrities in social media? And this result explain that Boy William and Maudy Ayunda use intersentential switching and the intersentential switching. For example, in Boy William, intrasentential switching, he speak about friends ya. Orang sini tahu who you are nggak sih? This is a intrasentential switching. And then intersentential switching. For example, we are gonna check up what she is up to. We are here with my family. Di sini ada Mario. And then for Maudy Ayunda, in intrasentential switching, she said that jadi essay question aku beda. For intersentential switching, that was the concern. This is also the opportunity that I can't let go of. Itu tuh kayak berat sekali. Result of this research for the problem number 1, for both Boy William and Maudy Ayunda, using intrasentential switching and intersentential switching in their speaking. And for next, in one video that the research observed can be conclude that this for the problem question number 1. What is the most dominant type of code switching used by Indonesian celebrity in social media? In the video, the searcher concluded that there is 30% of using intersentential code switching and 65% using intrasentential code switching. And then 0% of using text switching used by Boy William and Maudy Ayunda on social media. And then it can be seen clearly that intrasentential code switching is most common used by the both of celebrities. I think that's all for the result and discussion. Thank you very much.
Okay, and last speaker is me. Present about conclusion. The celebrities who have lived abroad and have native speaker parents, or those who are capable of speaking more than one language, influently use code switching to convey the meaning of his or her words. They use code switching for to show not to show off, but because it has become a habit or the embrace the meaning of their words. Jadi para selebriti yang orang tuanya mungkin yang ibunya bule dan bapaknya Indo atau selebriti-selebriti yang pernah tinggal di luar negeri itu kebanyakan mereka berbicara lebih dari satu bahasa dengan lancar dan menggunakan alih kode untuk menyampaikan maksud mereka. Jadi mereka berbicara itu bukan untuk show off atau pamer, tapi untuk mempertegas maksud dari perkataan mereka. For example, itu misalkan Boy William and Moidi Ayunda. Nah, Boy William itu pernah lama di luar negeri waktu masa mudanya, dan Moidi Ayunda itu sebagai student of from Stanford University. Jadi keduanya itu mereka menggunakan intra-sentence code switching and then between sentence. Jadi researcher conclude that the most dominant type of code switching used by Indonesian celebrities on social media is in intra-sentence code switching, namely 65%. I think enough from our group, and thank you.